Hello, I am David Daoud of the ITAD.Academy. I'm also the principal analyst at Compliance Standards LLC, and this lecture seeks to profile the current certification landscape in effect in the ITAD sector. Now, certifications are tools that allow sectors and industries to agree on and adopt a set of rules that will govern their business. It's a way to ensure that some common standards are applied. Each industry has its certification rules and bodies, and not all are the same. They have different goals, they have different practice mechanism, costs of deployment and maintenance, etc. And that's not different in the ITAD space. Now, because of the complexity of the topic, I invited Rike Sandlin to help us understand how certifications influence the recycling sector. Now, why Rike? Well, because Rike has been involved in the ITAD sector for as long as I remember and has immersed himself in issues of compliance and certifications, which are the things that we're going to be talking about today. Frankly, I don't know anyone better positioned than him to give us a great lecture on the importance of certification in enterprise ITAD. Now, Rike currently consults in the ITAD and the recycling industries on operational excellence, business strategies, go-to-market plans, operations, sustainability, ESG, and M&A. He works with organizations as an advisor and coach, a fractional leader or a board member. Now, Rike brings to bear a career of experience in ITAD as well as engineering, marketing, and leadership in other industries. Now, previously, he was COO and partner in ITAD firm High Tech Assets. He also served as the Environmental Affairs and Marketing Director for Aero Integra and managed product development for Verizon. As an advocate for best practices in high standards, Rike has served as co-chair of the R2 Technical Advisory Committee, chairman of the RIOS Board of Directors, and chairman of ISRI's Certification and Standards and Education Committees, and he frequently speaks at a conference. Above all, Rike is a friend, and that's very important. Rike, we welcome you and appreciate your coming. Now, I guess perhaps the simplest question to start with are the certifications that we will be addressing today relative to the ITAD space specifically, that is enterprise IT hardware disposition, or are they also inclusive of electronic recycling broadly? Are there any distinctions there between these two areas?
Great question, David. Thank you for the generous introduction. It has been a great journey with you over the past many years. I think you and I first met when you were developing the grade standard with IDC and other activities there. So it's been great to know you over these many years.